Assalamu alaikum guys. If you want to construct your house, domestic building, and you have a planning for 3-story, ground floor, then first floor and second floor. So what should be the size of column, its steel reinforcement and grade of concrete? So this is the topic for today. Size of column, steel reinforcement and grade of concrete for 3-story domestic building, not for commercial building. So let's get started guys. As you can see guys, this is planning for column. So this is from top view and this is its section. Okay, so what should be the size of column for 3-story domestic building? Size of column, first of all, for 3-story. Okay guys, so the size of the column should not be less than for 3-story 12 by 12 inches. 12 by 12 inches are 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter. So this is the size of column for 3-story commercial building. It should not be less than this. Okay, the size should be 30 by 30 centimeter or 12 inch by 12 inches. So this is for normal residential building, 3-story. Now let's come to its steel reinforcement. As you can see guys, we have 8 steel rods. So don't use less than 8 steel rods for 3-story domestic building. Okay, so its steel reinforcement should be, this is the first, now the second one is steel reinforcement. Okay guys, so use 8 steel rods, 8 numbers. So now guys, 4 corner steel rods, main longitudinal bars. Guys, you can see this is the one steel rod, this is the other one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. So the dia of 4 steel rods should be 16 mm. And the other 4 steel rods, 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 dia should be 4 numbers, dia 16 mm. And other 4 numbers, dia 12 mm. Got it? So use 8 steel rods, 4 steel rods dia should be 16 mm and 4 steel rods dia should be 12 mm for normal residential building for 3-story. Okay, so here guys you can see 4 numbers. So these are details. 4 numbers, 16 mm, main steel rods, corner steel rods. Okay, and 4 numbers, 12 mm. Okay, so these are 8 steel rods. Now guys, the next one is for its stirrups. Guys, you can see. So here the stirrups should be, the stirrups dia should be not less than 8 mm, the stirrup dia, and spacing should be 100 to 150 mm, center to center. How guys? You can see the section. So in the section, so this is the total height. So this is h. So this is the total height. So h should be divided by 3. So here you can see this is h by 3 distance, and from here this is from the bottom from here to here this is the other h by 3. So h by 3 and h by 3. So for h by 3 and h by 3, the spacing of the stirrups should not be more than 100 mm. So you can say guys, so it should be 4 inches center to center, and dia should be 8 mm for 3-story domestic building. And after h or l by 3 distance, so this spacing should not be more than 150 mm. center to center, or you can say 6 inches, C/C. So after that, guys, again this spacing of the stirrup should not be more than 4 inches, or you can say 100 mm, C/C. So this is the stirrups designed for column. Now guys, you can see at the bottom, on the top of the steel mesh or the footing mesh, so this development length should not be less than 12 inches. It should not be less than 12 inches, the development length, or this bent. This is also very important. Okay, so you can say development. It should be not less than 12 inches or 30 centimeter. Okay, so this is very important. On the top of the steel reinforcement, on the mesh we can provide same like this, guys, you can see. So this is its footing. Okay, so you can see its steel rods like this. So on the top of this we will place this. Okay, so now guys, come to its concrete design. Okay, so the grade of concrete should be, the third one is grade of concrete. So guys, use for this, the concrete ratio should be for this M20, where M20 ratio is 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3. 1 part is cement, 1.5 part is sand, and 3 parts are crush or aggregate. Okay, so this is M20. So use M20 grade concrete, which ratio is 1.5 ratio 3. Okay, so now guys, the concrete cover should not be less than, this is concrete cover, like this, guys, you can see in the section. Okay, so concrete cover should be from 25 to 40 mm. From 1 to 1.5 inches you can keep the concrete cover for 4 sides. Okay, so guys, this is the topic for today. What should be the size of column, steel reinforcement, grade of concrete, etc. for ground floor plus 2-story, or you can say for 3-story domestic building, not for commercial building. So guys, here you will have also a question that what should be the spacing of 2 column. So in this size of column, you can keep the spacing of 2 column up to 18 feet. Okay, up to 18 feet. This is safe, this design which I have discussed the front of you. This design I have already done for one of my project, and last month I did its construction, also its design, everything is done by me. So therefore I discussed with you people that what should be the size, steel reinforcement, etc. for G plus 2-story or 3-story domestic building, not for commercial building. Hope this video can help you. So if this is important, so you must like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.